In this video, we will learn how to convert Word document to PowerPoint presentation. So let's start. This is my Word document. Here I have a small presentation related to AI. So this presentation I'm going to convert in PowerPoint presentation. So let's see. So first I select here the heading of this presentation. So I just press the control key of the keyboard, just hold the keyboard key and I select the second heading, then I select the third one, then I select the fourth one. Okay, after that go to the home tab. In styles group, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the heading 1. Same as select the all details of every heading. Same as press the control key of the keyboard, hold the key and select the second para also, then third, fourth. Okay, done. Then same as go to the home tab. In styles group, just click on drop down arrow and click on the heading 2. Now here I converted this small presentation in heading 1 and heading 2. Okay, now we are going to convert this word presentation in PowerPoint to PowerPoint presentation. So let's see. Before that, you have to add here the one command in Word document. Here the command is not added already. So to add the command, go to the file tab and click on the more option, then click on the option. Here the Word option dialog box is open. After that, just click on the quick access toolbar, then click on the drop down arrow and select the all commands option. Wait for the few seconds to select it, all commands. It's done. Now select the any command here, then press the S and here search the send Microsoft PowerPoint. So I just search here the send. Okay, so I search here the send to Microsoft PowerPoint, then click on the add and click on OK. And here you can see in quick access toolbar the send to Microsoft PowerPoint command is added. Now you can easily use it. Just click on it and you can see here your presentation is converted in PowerPoint. Just click on the enable edit it and you can see in every slides one para is added with the heading. Okay, so this is a way you can convert your presentation, Word presentation, in PowerPoint. So now you can just click on the file and click on the save and click on the this PC, and here you can see the save as a file type is PowerPoint presentation. Now you can save this presentation in PowerPoint. So that's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.